Let's dive into the world of insurance, a place where paperwork piles up, policies are written in dense language, and every conversation seems to come with its own set of mysterious codes. If you've ever felt lost in a sea of forms and fine print, you're not alone. Insurance is supposed to make life simpler, but sometimes it feels like you need a translator just to understand what's going on. One of the biggest culprits behind this confusion: acronyms. Especially when you encounter something like GSR, which can throw even the most seasoned professionals into chaos. These little combinations of letters can turn a straightforward discussion into a maze of misunderstandings, leaving everyone scratching their heads. The insurance industry absolutely loves its TLAs, three-letter acronyms. It's almost as if there's a secret club and the password is a jumble of letters. These acronyms are everywhere, from emails to contracts, and they create a language that only insiders seem to understand. For newcomers, or even experienced professionals working across borders, it can feel like trying to decode alphabet soup. Take GSR, for example. This seemingly simple acronym actually has three completely different meanings, depending on which country you're in. In the United States, Sweden, and the United Kingdom, GSR stands for something unique in each place. It's a perfect storm for confusion, especially in our increasingly globalized world. Now, picture yourself at an international insurance conference. Professionals from all over the world are gathered, eager to share ideas and collaborate. You're networking, making connections, and then someone brings up GSR. Suddenly, the room is buzzing with different interpretations, and you realize that everyone is talking about something completely different. You mention GSR, expecting everyone to be on the same page. Instead, you find yourself in three separate conversations at once. Each person is convinced they know exactly what you mean, but their definitions couldn't be further apart. It's like speaking three languages at the same time, with no translator in sight. The American in the group immediately thinks you're talking about insuring massive offshore oil rigs, a high-stakes, high-value business that comes with its own set of risks and regulations. Meanwhile, the Swede assumes you're referring to a national database designed to track and prevent insurance fraud, a crucial tool in their country's fight against financial crime. And the Brit? They're certain you're talking about a niche firm based in London, perhaps a boutique consultancy or a specialized insurance provider with a reputation for handling complex cases. What started as a simple question has now turned into a communication nightmare. People are talking past each other, making assumptions and potentially missing out on important details. It's not just a funny mix-up, it can have real consequences for business decisions and client relationships. Misunderstanding what GSR means could lead to costly mistakes, from signing the wrong contract to offering the wrong coverage. In the world of insurance, where precision matters, these errors can be expensive and damaging. So how do we untangle this mess of acronyms and confusion? It starts with understanding the different faces of GSR and being clear about what we mean, especially when working across borders or with international teams. In this chapter, we'll break down the three faces of GSR, explore their origins, and give you the tools to avoid future confusion. By the end, you'll be able to navigate the acronym jungle with confidence. You're welcome. Meet the three-headed monster of the insurance world, GSR. First in America, GSR is Global Special Risks, ensuring high-stakes energy projects. In Sweden, GSR is Gemensamma skadeanmälningsregistret, a national claims database. Finally, in the UK, GSR is Genesis Special Risks, a boutique insurer for unique risks. These acronyms share a name but serve vastly different functions. Understanding these differences is crucial for navigating international insurance. It's the key to avoiding embarrassing mix-ups. In Houston, Texas, GSR stands for Global Special Risks. They insure massive energy projects like oil rigs and refineries. Their clients are major corporations like Shell and ExxonMobil. GSR uses complex analyses to assess risks and provide coverage. They are the specialists for high-stakes, high-value insurance. In Sweden, GSR is a shared database for insurance claims. It prevents fraud by tracking claims across companies. When a claim is filed, it's logged in the GSR. This system flags suspicious patterns, reducing fraud. All Swedish insurers use this database to verify claims. It's a collaborative effort to keep premiums low and honest. In London, GSR is Genesis Special Risks. They specialize in unique, complex insurance needs. From insuring art collections to covering political risks, they handle it all. Genesis thrives on creativity and flexibility, offering bespoke solutions. It's time for a head-to-head comparison of the 3 GSRs you've just learned about. Each one operates in a different country, serves a unique purpose, and is tailored to the needs of its local market. But what exactly sets them apart? Let's break it down, side by side, so you can see the differences and similarities at a glance. First up, Global Special Risks in the USA. This organization is a powerhouse in the world of insurance, focusing on some of the most challenging and high-stakes sectors: energy and marine. Think of massive oil rigs, sprawling refineries, and fleets of ships navigating international waters. GSR USA steps in to provide coverage where few others dare, protecting against risks that could cost millions or even billions of dollars. Next, let's look at the Swedish GSR, which stands for Gemensamma skadeanmälningsregistret. Unlike its American counterpart, this GSR isn't an insurance company at all. Instead, it's a national database designed to prevent insurance fraud. Every claim made in Sweden is logged here, allowing insurers to spot suspicious patterns and protect honest customers from the rising costs of fraud. Finally, we have Genesis Special Risks in the UK. This GSR is all about customization. Operating as a Lloyd's of London syndicate, Genesis crafts bespoke insurance solutions for clients with unique or complex needs. Whether it's a rare artwork, a high-profile event, or an emerging technology, Genesis Special Risks finds a way to insure what others might consider uninsurable. To put it simply, these 3 GSRs are as different as a sledgehammer, a security camera, and a Swiss Army knife. One is built for brute force and heavy lifting, another for vigilance and oversight, and the third for versatility and adaptability. Each tool is essential, but for very different jobs. Understanding these differences is more than just trivia. It's your shield against confusion in the complex world of insurance. Whether you're a broker, a business owner, or just someone curious about how global insurance works, knowing which GSR does what can help you make smarter decisions and avoid costly mistakes. To make things even clearer, let's lay out a quick reference table. This will help you see, at a glance, how each GSR stacks up in terms of name, location, function, and who relies on it. First, the names. GSR in the USA stands for Global Special Risks. In Sweden, it's Gemensamma skadeanmälningsregistret, and in the UK, it's Genesis Special Risks. Their full names reflect their roles. Global Special Risk signals international reach. Gemensamma skadeanmälningsregistret highlights its collaborative national focus, and Genesis Special Risks hints at innovation and tailored solutions. When it comes to location, Global Special Risks is based in Houston, Texas, right in the heart of the American energy industry. The Swedish GSR operates out of Stockholm, serving the entire Swedish insurance market. Genesis Special Risks is headquartered in London, the historic center of global insurance. What are they exactly? Global Special Risks is an insurance underwriter, taking on the financial risks of massive projects. The Swedish GSR is a national claims database, not an insurer, but a vital tool for the industry. Genesis Special Risks is a Lloyd's of London syndicate, pooling resources to cover unique and complex risks. Their main functions are just as distinct. GSR USA insures massive energy and marine risks. The Swedish GSR prevents insurance fraud, and Genesis Special Risks insures unique and complex risks that don't fit the standard mold. So, who uses these organizations? In the USA, it's large energy corporations, often working through specialized brokers. In Sweden, every insurance company relies on the GSR database to keep the market fair and transparent. In the UK, global brokers and clients with special coverage needs turn to Genesis for solutions. As you can see, while they share the same initials, each GSR plays a unique and vital role in its own corner of the insurance world. Understanding these distinctions can help you navigate the industry with confidence and clarity. Whether you're dealing with energy giants, national insurance systems, or bespoke risk solutions, knowing which GSR you're talking about is key. So next time you hear GSR, remember, context is everything. Each one is a specialist in its field, and now, you know exactly what sets them apart. Global Special Risks in Houston is deeply tied to the energy industry. They ensure infrastructure that powers the global economy. Their work involves analyzing complex risks like hurricanes and piracy. Clients engage in risk management, not just buying policies. GSR helps clients reduce risks, offering expertise and partnership. They are the masters of high-stakes insurance. The Swedish GSR is a testament to cooperation over competition. It prevents fraud by sharing claims data across insurers. This system acts as a collective memory, reducing fraud. It's a high-trust model that benefits the entire market. The Swedish GSR is about saving money, not making it. Genesis Special Risks thrives in the Lloyd's of London market. They craft policies for unique, complex risks. From insuring festivals to new drugs, they handle it all. Their expertise spans diverse fields, offering creative solutions. Genesis is about agility and tackling the unknown. We've learned that context is everything. In the world of business, and especially when dealing with complex topics like insurance, finance, or international operations, context shapes the meaning of every conversation. What might seem obvious to one person can be completely misunderstood by another if the context isn't clear. This is why before jumping to conclusions or making decisions, it's essential to pause and consider the bigger picture. Take GSR, for example. Its meaning changes dramatically depending on the country you're in, the industry you're working with, or even the specific company culture. In one place, it could stand for a regulatory standard, while somewhere else, it might refer to a completely different process or requirement. This variability can catch even experienced professionals off guard. Ignoring context leads to confusion and costly mistakes. Misunderstandings can result in wasted time, lost opportunities, or even financial losses. Teams can find themselves at odds, debating over terminology instead of moving forward with solutions. All of this can be avoided by simply taking the time to clarify what's being discussed. This lesson applies far beyond the world of insurance. In any field, clarity is crucial. Whether you're launching a new project, negotiating a contract, or onboarding a new team member, making sure everyone is on the same page saves time and builds trust. Always define terms and ask clarifying questions. Don't be afraid to pause a meeting to ensure everyone understands the acronyms or jargon being used. It's better to ask now than to fix mistakes later. Avoid assumptions and be the person who clarifies. By doing so, you not only help yourself, but you also support your colleagues and contribute to a culture of open communication. The story of GSR is a powerful reminder of the importance of shared understanding. When everyone knows exactly what's being discussed, teams work more efficiently and relationships grow stronger. So next time you encounter an acronym, don't just assume you know what it means. Think of our 3 GSRs, and remember how easily meanings can shift depending on the context. In the end, the right questions are more important than knowing all the answers. By seeking clarity, you set yourself and your team up for success, no matter how complex the topic.